Essence. Kamusta kayo? It's my first time doing live here sa Facebook pala. So, yan. Actually, nag-live ako ngayon kasi mag-live selling ako. Pamain-main. Ito. Joke lang. Ang putla ko naman. Grabe naman ang... Hi, Darlene May Romero. Hello. Hi, Mau Yakamoto. Hi, Kuya Ken, our producer. He's watching right now. Kyla Yosh, hello. Ba't naman apakaputla ako dito? Grabe naman ang lighting. Pero anyway. Kyla Yosh. Aries Rizel, what's up? Crizel Maranya. Hi, Cristel Bartola. Hi, Aries. Hi, hello. How's everyone doing? I hope you're having a good night. And I'm just here having my live. Wala lang. Let's just chill. Ay! Wow! Thank you po Kuya Ken for our star. Ayun. So, hi Teen 14. Hello everyone. Ayan. Mia is watching. Ayan. Hello. Cartagena. May online kasi mamaya pero manonood ako ngayon. Aba, dapat lamang na manood ka ngayon. Bakit ang putla ko talaga? Wait nga lang. Yan. Nag-lip balm ako konti para hindi naman ako sobrang putla. Kapag putla ako naman kasi kanina. How was your day? I'm having an okay day today and tomorrow and all the world to offer. Ayan. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng Bartolata. Hi. So ayan, nag-live ako tonight because I want to first gusto ko palang pasalamatan lahat ng mga Essence natin na nanonood tonight. Yan, kahit sobrang late na. And, what else? Of course, ang dami kong nakikita videos of me na nagsisirculate ngayon. Kaya sobrang thankful ako dahil na-appreciate nyo yung mga pinagsasasabi ko kahit minsan kahit sobrang wala naman talagang katuturan yung mga kalokohan ko. Pero anyway, gusto ko lang i-address Essence na first gusto kong mag-apologize because na late yung supposed to be upload ng music video namin which is entitled HUG. It's not in any way it's not in any way, in any shape or form, the fault of our management, Black Entertainment, because what I'm seeing right now is medyo hindi, but how do I say this? Hindi maganda yung nag-reaction nung ilang fans doon sa pagiging delay nung music video, and I just want to say na it's sa totoo lang ito yung naging kwento, Essence. Bali the music video was supposed to be uploaded April 5, 'di ba? Pero nag-lack kasi or nagkaroon ng lapses yung prod team na kinuha doon sa pag-film ng music, nagkaroon ng lapses yung prod team doon sa pagde-deliver nila on time ng music video. And alam nyo, Essence, sa totoo lang, pwedeng naman kasi talagang pwedeng i-upload. Okay, pwedeng i-upload yung music video. But the problem was hindi kami sobrang satisfied. Hindi kami satisfied sa output. Hindi kami satisfied sa kung ano yung nakita namin. Personally, hindi siya justifiable na i-upload kasi we feel like the management has spent so much money and so much effort sa pagpo-produce ng music video, because to be honest guys, hindi mura mag-produce ng music video eh. So we were expecting a very very good output, a very 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 exquisite output, na to the point na parang sa mahal ng music video nag-expect kami na oh grabe, dapat maganda yon. But all of us, including our management, yung Black Entertainment, including them, they weren't happy about it. So it's either maglalabas kami ng hindi magandang music video para ma-i-align lang sa timeline, or we'll wait para magawa ng paraan ng prod team para mapaganda yung music video. And we chose the latter part kasi guys, ayaw naming ma-disappoint yung mga essence. Ayaw namin na maglabas ng music video na feel namin na dapat hindi ganon. Kung hindi kami proud sa output na nakita namin, paano namin ma-justify na dapat proud din kayo doon sa output na nilabas? So, if hindi nagustuhan ng management yung naging output ng music video, kailangan nilang gawin yon kasi kailangan nilang ma-feel na worth it yung bayad doon sa prod team. Okay? So kahit naman kami disappointed kami doon sa prod team kasi we were expecting a lot. So essence may pakiusap lang po ako. The song HUG, it's called Hate You Give. Okay? So it's called Hate You Give. So it's talking about let's not spread hate on social media kasi yun yung pinaka message nung kanta namin eh. And wag niyo nang i-hate yung page ng ang management namin. Kayo naman, yung management namin, they want the best quality na ilalabas for us. Okay? As much as we were disappointed, as much as we were disappointed sa naging kinalabasan nung nakita namin, I feel like we need to thank the management, our management, Black Entertainment, kasi pinili nila yung latter part na wag muna ilabas because it's their decision na wag maglabas ng pangit na output. Okay, sana wag na natin sila i-hate because they spent so much money on this music video and they have been very supportive. Joke lang. They have been very supportive sa amin sa Sixth Sense. They believe na we can do it talaga. That's why, wag nyo na sila i-hate. Sige na, please, para sa akin. Sige na. Because, to be honest, I'm thankful sa management namin kasi hindi nila hinahayaan na mag-produce kami ng pangit na music video. So as much as we want to upload it, hindi namin like very unanimous yung decision na sige, wag na lang natin i-upload to kesa naman ma-disappoint yung mga tao, and we don't want to do that talaga. Essence talaga, like that's the last thing we want to do. Ayaw namin kayong ma-disappoint. Kaya don't hate na, 'di ba yung lyrics nga, 'di ba? What if you tattoo all the hate you give to me on your body. 'Di ba? Yung lyrics ng kanta namin kayo naman. Let's just stream the music video, the song on Spotify. Ayan, achievements tayo. Because sa iTunes chart, debut song, nakapasok kami ng top 38 ng buong Philippines sa iTunes. Biruin mo. Adi nag-joke ka kasi binibiro mo eh. Hindi, joke lang. Yun. For a debut song na makapasok agad on iTunes chart, top 38, top PH, top next time yan, top global na. Ayun. Kaya ayun, pasensya na kayo Essence, pasensya na kayo. Hindi talaga namin intention mga mangyari na to. Kaya let's just celebrate na on iTunes, ayan, nag-debut ang HUG on top 38 out of all the artists out there. Nasa top 38 ang HUG. Kaya maraming salamat, Essence. Dahil dyan, may kiss kayo sa akin at may kotong kayo sa akin pag nakita ko kayo. Kaya, yan, supportahan nyo lang palagi ang Black Entertainment at Six Sense dahil alam nyo naman na we are all doing our best. And pasensya na talaga, Essence. And love namin kayong lahat. Lahat ng Six Sense members. Ayun, thank you, Essence, at stop the hate na, magtatampo ko sa inyo kapag nag-ano pa kayo dun. Hindi ko kayo kiss. Diba? Walang kiss. Ayun, kaya sana supportahan niyo yung lalabas na music video. Okay. Ayan. Kaya for now, sa mga 48 viewers natin ngayon, ano pa hinihintay mo? Eh di syempre mag-stream ka na. On Spotify, on Apple Music, on iTunes, YouTube Music, at lahat ng online streaming platforms. Pero I suggest mag-stream kayo on Spotify and YouTube Music para umangat kami on charts. Kasi nakaka-proud, di ba? Nakaka-proud ang Six Sense. Dahil a debut song, charted top 38 on iTunes top PH. Ayan. Thank you. Stream kayo, tapos tag nyo kami para makita namin yung i-stream namin. Yun. I love you, Essence. At sana antabayanan nyo yung magiging final output ng HUG because na-delay to because kailangan namin pagandahin. Okay? Everyday stream, HUG, hate you give. So, kantayin natin. What if you tattoo all the hate you give to me on your body. What if all the pain that you bring, all the words that you say, got somebody, H-U-G. All the hate you give to me. Oh, give me that H-U-G. Nakakita naman na kayo ng snippets ng HUG, di ba? So, alam nyo na it will be a good music video. So, ayun. Good night, Essence. Matulog na kayong lahat. At I will see you soon sa mga events. Sana mapunta kayo. At continue loving Six Sense. And continue loving us, Six Sense, and all the artists of Black Entertainment, because everyone is working so hard. Continue support Black Purple, Black Flowers, kami, and all the other artists na nasa entertainment namin right now. Kaya ayun. Thank you so much. Bye. But Six Sense name nyo, 8 members kayo. Ano ba yan? Hindi na natapos sa ganyang tanong, Ulit! Paulit! Mambabato na naman ako ng tissue Paano mambato ng tissue? Paulit ka! Doon! Doon ka sa far away. Good night! Good night, Essence! Boosh. Good night, Essence. Love you.